She was suffering from celiac disease and nephrotic syndrome. Sir has helped a lot during the COVID time also. He has parceled all the medicines timely, and he's very helpful in nature. I must recommend everyone who's ever is suffering from this kind of disease, they can contact Dr. Gangwal sir. Myself Vishal, and she is my daughter Sonal. She was suffering from celiac disease and nephrotic syndrome. Actually, whenever she used to take meal, then she has swelling in her stomach, and her eyes were swelled. 2 or 3 times we have admitted her, once in Jindal Hospital Hisar, and once in CKB Hospital Gurgaon. But then we came to know about Dr. Gangwal sir. Then we met him, and he assured us that it will be cured. And around 25 or 26 months, we have taken the medicines from him, and we are 100% satisfied with the cure. And now she is able to take the meal. She is taking everything as of now, and there is no such thing which is deviating from her treatment. And also, sir has helped a lot during the COVID time also. He has parceled all the medicines timely, and he's very helpful in nature. I must recommend everyone who's ever is suffering from this kind of disease, they can contact Dr. Gangwal sir. Thank you.
सीलिएक डिजीज यानी बहुत आसान भाषा में कहूँ तो गेहूं से एलर्जी, गेहूं और गेहूं से बनी चीजें जो बच्चे नहीं खा पाते।
मेरा नाम प्रियंका है, मैं सोनल की मम्मी हूँ। मेरी बेटी को गेहूं से वीट से एलर्जी थी और हम बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान थे गुड़िया को लेके। हमने हर जगह दवाइयाँ दिला दी लेकिन कोई भी रिलीफ नहीं मिला था। हम डॉक्टर गंगवाल से मिले, इनकी दवाइयों से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीफ मिला। गुड़िया को हर प्रॉब्लम से हम बाहर निकले हैं।
तो डॉक्टर डी एल गंगवाल में ऐसा क्या खास?
सर से दवाइयाँ लेने के बाद मेरी बेटी बिल्कुल सही है। थैंक यू सो मच सर, मेरी बेटी को इतना अच्छी मतलब इस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर निकालने के लिए। जिसको भी ये प्रॉब्लम है एक बार सर से कांटेक्ट जरूर करें।